It's nice. So this is the one I'm gonna buy. So, but I'm not gonna get the front wheel drive, but I love the rear wheel drive. So here we go. Okay, now I just pick up the lawnmower. So follow me, and we're gonna get you to pay for it. It's too big to pay for it. So here we go. Thank you, Daddy, for me to buy this little lawnmower. When we get home, we're gonna open it with a knife, okay?
Okay.
Okay, Daddy. When I told you to get when I told you to get the knife, you get it, okay? If you don't get it, if I told you, my goodness, I'd have to be happy. And I have to open Daddy, will you come and help me take this box out and put it right there? It's stuck. Something's stuck. Oh, it has instructions. Will you tie this, please?
Okay.
Will you tie this, please, Daddy?
Okay, that's tight.
Tie it a bit so you can start it.
John's first lawnmower. 8 years old.